mark my words, guys, if I ever somehow end up with more money than I need, aka semi-rich, I will buy another genome and I will make it the loudest and best looking genome you've ever seen on the internet. Promise. So just remember this day. Remember this day in history, September 29th, 2021.
Ooh, by the way, look at this fresh piece of APR carbon fiber. Ignore the jagged edges. There's a story behind that we're going to talk about soon. This is one of those times where I wish I was in a hatchback because I have no idea how I got this in here and I have no idea how I'm going to get this out of here.
So now that the genome's gone, we have two things left to do. Number one, let me show you. Take this out. We are taking the SPT intake off. And number two is the reason why the title of the video exists. So we reached the point of the video title. Now let me show you why the video is titled what it is. Our last day with the black STi. And this is why. That is why it's our last day with the black STi. The STi is not going anywhere. We are just unwrapping it. And why are we unwrapping it? Well, kind people, if you look right back there, there is a fresh box of vinyl. So if you're wondering if vinyl damages your paint, no, it does not. That's always been there. I don't know what that is. That's always been on the car since I bought it. Everything else is fresh. So that hood took me like 10 minutes to pull off, but now I'm gonna continue. I went upstairs to go change and put on shorts and a different shirt and take a little nap, but I didn't even nap. I was just laying in bed. But it's 5 o'clock almost, and it's time to get back to work. But we are not alone today. Let's go. Who's that, Sam? Is that a vehicle that's never been seen on the channel before? Who is this man? Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Let's go see who this is. Excuse me, sir. State your name and your business. JK, it's just Adrian.
Oh yeah.
I'm like this.
Yeah.
Who's in the Forester? This Forester's never been on the channel.
Oh yeah. New ride on the channel.
Oh, yeah, but more about that later. We got important things to do right now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Help is on the way for the STi. But before we do that, Adrian, let's get a live reaction to the new color, shall we?
All right.
You want to see it?
Bet, yeah.
Do you want to see it?
I'm ready.
Oh shit.
I'm ready. Can I guess?
No.
First? Fuck. All right.
I don't want you to go in with any expectations. It's just sitting right there. Look. Are you excited for this?
I am.
Okay, here. Just right here.
Excited. All right.
Just open the box. Just it opens from right here on that flap.
Holy shit. Hold up. Let me.
Like, hold up. This is gonna be in black and white. No one's gonna see the color yet.
Bro, that's sparkly. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy right here, man. Oh
Look at
man.
that shit, dude.
Oh man.
Now, can you imagine that in the car?
Dude. That's gonna be so dope.
Ooh, this is all gonna be black and white though, so ain't no one's seen this shit.
Oh man.
But look at it on camera. Look at it in person. Camera?
No,
look at it. It looks super
in
different
camera,
now.
regardless, even if you didn't do the black and white, it wouldn't do justice.
Jesus, bro.
It really.
We are back to a silver car. Jesus. Who am I? From bumper, there's a little piece right there by the lip because I gotta pull the lip off still, which I haven't done. And of course, the other side is all silver. I'm leaving the side skirts black intentionally. Side skirts, mirrors, hood scoop, and roof are staying black. For now, until I see how this color looks with this setup. And obviously I'm gonna pull the door handles off, but when I pull them off, I'm gonna take the wrap off of them and then get behind here and stuff. But we're back to silver for now. I just gotta get the rear bumper off in the trunk. So there you guys have it. I semi-clickbaited, you know, with the title. The STi is not going anywhere. I think I've said this when I bought the STi. This is like the car I want to keep forever. I'm gonna drive that shit till the wheels fall off. Like they almost fell off on Sway, but that's a story for a different time. But anyways, that is it. The car, today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday night while I'm recording this last clip and about to upload the video right now. And the car is actually done. I challenged myself to do it in a weekend. I wrapped the car in 2 days. Yes, I literally spent all day Saturday and all day Sunday, like maybe like 2 hours on it on Friday night because I was tired. But 2 days and I finished wrapping the car. The only thing that needs to be wrapped is the wing. But I left some pieces black, like I said in the video too. Like I left a couple pieces black, but I didn't really like the way they came out. So, well, not the way they came out. I don't like the way it looked with the new colors. So I'm gonna probably go back tomorrow and just wrap all that. And also, new wrap color means new wheel color as well. New wheel color is coming along with the new wrap. I have the paint already. So tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm gonna scuff 2 wheels, paint 2 wheels. Thursday, scuff 2 wheels, paint 2 wheels. I'm only doing 2 a day because I only have 2 jack stands. So I'm gonna take the wheels off, put the car on jack stands, and then crank out some painting and finish wrapping the side skirts because, like I said, I didn't really like the way it looked black, and I don't know how Vegeta got down here, but he's down here. I don't like the way it looked black with the new color, so I am going to wrap those and wrap the fog light covers, and that's pretty much it. Everything else, the whole body's done. I finished the body on Sunday night, and dude, when I went to work on Monday, I was fucking dead. But either way, I feel good. I'm hyped for the new color. It looks good. It shines like a motherfucker, like it really does. Like, excuse my language, you know, but it shines so much. I'm hyped. I'm really hyped, and I can't wait to show you guys. Your reveal video should be coming out this weekend. I'm hoping. We're trying to get our hands on a gimbal right now because I want to have a decent premiere, you know. With the black car, I didn't really do much for the premiere, but this one I want to do something different. I want to do something nice and special so it looks really good when it actually comes out. The only problem is the color does look somewhat different on camera than it does in person, but that's with most strange colors. I guess that's what happens. But it's all good. If you're going to Subi Fest, I'll be at Subi Fest. Already got my ticket, got my Airbnb booked. Me and all the boys are going down to Subi Fest. So if you're going to Subi Fest, let me know because we will be there. And get ready for the reveal. If it's not, I might try to throw out one more video this week and then do the reveal on the weekend either way because I do have another video lined up. I have a bunch of clips. Like one of them being where that APR piece of carbon came from. I could explain that because I do have a video of where that came from. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Whether it's the APR carbon one or if it's the car reveal, I will see you all then. You know, drop those subs and drop those likes. We passed 350 subs like randomly. Like I woke up one day and I had like 7 or 8 new subs. So shout out to all my new subs out there that have been subscribing. And keep on subbing. You are on the road to 1,000. Catch y'all later. Goodbye.